This Moen faucet.
This Moen shower head.
Is so stylish.
So well made.
So consistently good.
It's perfect for women awkwardly standing while shaving.
For people who have an unhealthy obsession with keeping their footwear spotless.
Bad plant moms who finally admit that their plant is actually dead.
Dog dads who give their dogs a shower and have to give themselves in the shower a shower.
For people with daughters-in-law who bring over their version of your famous broccoli casserole.
Home chefs that just make meatballs and now they have sticky meatball hands.
For influencers showing off their modern kitchens to no one in particular. Like and subscribe!
I just want water.
For moms washing off their makeup after ugly crying from dropping their babies off at preschool.
You okay, honey?
Yes! The temperature is just so perfect.